Heading back to school is exciting for some, but others say this year is different.
Yeah, the parental rights in education law, which critics call Don't Say Gay, is now in effect. Investigator Lewis Bolden has details on what it means for teachers, parents, and students.
It's a culture war that did not need to be invented.
The culture war Jen Cousins is referring to is Florida's parental rights in education law, referred to by critics as Don't Say Gay. It took effect in July.
I was incredibly angry about it. Of all the things that is happening in our world right now, and especially in the state of Florida, to be going after kids like this is just outrageous to me.
Cousins joins a group of Florida families who have filed a federal lawsuit challenging the constitutionality of the law. The lawsuit names Orange, Indian River, Duval, and Palm Beach County school boards. There is a family representing each district. Cousins has children in elementary, middle, and high school in Orange County.
The intent behind the bill was to keep queer kids in the closet.
The law prohibits classroom instruction by school personnel or third parties on sexual orientation or gender identity in kindergarten through third grade and should be age appropriate in older grades according to the law. Cousins has a 12-year-old who identifies as non-binary and two other children going into first and third grade. She says the law would prevent her younger children from talking about their older sibling at school.
And somebody goes home and says, "Hey, mom and dad, guess what so-and-so said at school today?" The parent can now come in and try to sue the school because they don't like that their kid was exposed to hearing what my kid is.
It's not just families who are concerned.
How are teachers feeling going into this school year?
Not an exaggeration to say that teachers are extremely anxious.
Clinton McCracken has been an art teacher with Orange County Public Schools since 2001 and is the current president of the Orange County Classroom Teachers Association.
There's a lot of anxiety because the laws were written so vaguely and there's so much unknown exactly how they will be implemented.
Just last week, Orange County released clarification from the state that teachers can, if they choose, still display safe space stickers and rainbow lanyards that show they are allies to the LGBTQ+ community. The clarification states, the bill restricts instruction on sexual orientation and gender identity, not mere discussion of those subjects. And teachers are free to respond if their students discuss their identities or family life.
The mission at Zebra Coalition is to empower LGBTQ+ youth to thrive.
Heather Wilkie is the executive director of the Zebra Coalition, a network of organizations that provide services to LGBTQ+ youth, including mental health counseling. She says she wants students to know as they head back to school, they have support.
I'm very concerned with how these students and these young people are going to feel about themselves. We're very concerned about their mental health status.
Getting results, I'm Lewis Bolden, News 6.